Hello everyone. This question in the database just to help us how to work on form subform and how to work on nested if in the query to make calculated runtime field. Now create relational database artwork CSV and artist CSV, and here is talking about the currency. It should be pound. Once we want to work on this, I have just imported the tables, and as you see, media should be in validation list. The price should be over the 0. Sold. Now I will make it as format, yes, no. And the art ID is our primary key. Now for the artists, title will be in validation for Miss, Mr., Mrs., and nothing more. All are text except the artist ID will be integer. Then we have to create our relationship, as you see, with enforcing referential integrity. It will be one-to-many, artist ID to artist ID. So also we have no problem. Now, what should we do? They are talking about creating a form to display data as shown below. Here, this is the form. We have the artist here, the part of work, the artworks that sold here, and this is to be sold, so it is not sold, but here the sold ones. Now, create a form to display. It means we have it as a query, and our criteria here, sold is no, sold is yes, and we have to create commission as a field should be done on the runtime. So it will be using expression builder, but this time it should be in the if statement, nested if. If the piece of art is less than £50, the commission will be 5%. If the price between 50 100, it will be 10% the commission. And when it is over 100, it will be 12.5%. Now make the form as formatted above, and it is just for viewing data. Make sure the data entry is disabled and all these fields are fully visible. So it will be here queries because of the criteria and calculating the commission. Here will be a table or query. We have to disable the navigation buttons here, and also it should be as data entry disabled. Okay, now let's do the queries. Create query wizard. First query will be from the artwork, all the fields except artist ID, and here for sale artwork. Now for sale, it means it is not sold yet. So here no, and yes. Okay, then I will hide the sold field. Now to make my work as form subform, I have to add the artist ID, the field of the relationship to be at the end here, then create query wizard, simple, also from the artwork. I don't need the artist ID, and it will be named sold artwork. Now, yes, and save. Okay. Now, these are the two queries. For the sold, we have to calculate the commission. Come here, builder, we write commission. Vertical dots. Now how to do it? I need to make an if statement from functions, built-in function, and here you have to search for the I. Here is the if statement and the expression true part, false part. So now I choose if. Now it is written right here. Now here in the expression, I have to back here in the sold artwork query, and I have to choose price, right? Multiplied by 0.05. Then in the true, so this is in the true part. If the price is less than 50, then in the true, we have to make it price multiplied by the 5%. Now in the false part, I back to the built-in function, and for the if statement, now in the nested if here, if the price, I have to back for the query, if the price is less than equal 100, the true part will be 0.010, if not 0.125. Now, in the expression here, I will say price multiplied by the if statement as we used to make. Now, commission is the price multiplied by 5% or 10% or 1.25, depending on the F. Now, okay, save and view. Here we have to check our work. Just this, I will delete price multiplied by, yes. Now like this, it is working right. And view. Now, 6.5, yes. Now we are working in the good way. And this is our builder. Now you can just stretch and find out that it is our work. Now that was the new idea about the nested if in the query. Now I have to check how is my work. It is artist and artwork. Here it would be as a title, and let's do the form. Create form, sorry, not this one. Create form result. We will get from artist, take all fields, next, columnar, yes, and finish. Go to design, shrink, and work on this. This should be yellow. Artist and artwork, artists and artworks. fix the size, save, and now we have to work on the subforms. Now, first of all, I have to click here on the subform and click use existing query. Now this is the query for sale. All the fields, define my own. From the list, choose the sale for each using artist ID, yes. And for sale, query, artwork for sale, finish. We can take it to the left, save, and the second one. Now the subform. Now we get sold all. Okay. Artist ID and artist ID. If I don't want to work on the choose from list, it is the same because it is using artist ID. Okay, sold artwork and finish. Now we have just to work on the formatting, how to format the work, save, view. Now we have to delete these navigation buttons and the scroll bar. We have to show the commission. Now layout, price, and okay, right here, price, sold, yes, and commission. Okay, hide artist ID. Done. Now, after this, I have to work on save and design. You click on the form double time just to find this black square on the corner, then property sheet. Now we go to navigation buttons, no, record selector, no, and scroll bars, neither, enable editing, no, but we have to find it. Now you can find data entry, no. If it is hard for you, you can just find it from here, data entry, no. So that was allow deletion, no. Allow addition, also no. So it is not data entry. Allow edits, no. Allow filters, nothing about it, so you can just leave it. Save and view. Now we have the scroll bar. We have to delete the scroll bar. Okay. And for this form also, data entry, no. Allow deleting, no. Addition, no. Edits, no. Now in the format, we can go for the navigation buttons, no, and scroll bar, neither. We can just, to control the scroll bar, I can delete artist ID from here, and I can just like this. Also here, can fix it. Now save and view, still in the layout. Let's fix this. Now we don't have scroll bar. It is fixed here, but we have to move Now let's find. Here we have nothing. Search. Okay. Now here. But for the whole data entry form here, go to the property sheet in the data entry no. So you have to get screenshots for these properties to make sure that, look here, you can't write. I'm trying to write, but it is not allowed. Okay, here also nothing is allowed. Now can just move between the records. Done. So this is how to work on subform and the nested if statement in the query. Have a nice day and good luck.